Assalamu alaikum student. Good morning to everyone. This is me Mohammad Rahim. Today we are again with the same chapter, chemistry, class 9, chapter 6, solutions. Here on page 112 we have another topic, concentration units. Actually this topic is about units of concentration, that by which units we calculate, we estimate, we represent concentration. So come to the concentration, what actually concentration is. Concentration is actually the amount of solute in any solvent. Whenever we examine, we see, we collect, or we represent the amount of solute in any solvent, that is actually called concentration of solution. Concentration of solution. So a concentration of a solution is the amount of solute in a given quantity of solvent. Okay, what actually concentration is? It is exact strength of solution. If we say a strength of solution means the power of solution. It means we see the solute in a solution, that is actually the strength of solution. So concentration is actually the strength of solution. There are some concentration units that represents the concentration of solution, that represents the strength of solution. And there are two way. One is percentage and the second one is molarity. So in today's topic we just discuss the percentage. This is the symbol of percentage, you can see here on this slide. Percentage is actually the part out of 100. Actually if we see in 100% of anything, whenever we take a part of out of 100, that is called percentage. Ideas of percentage is very useful, very easy in calculating. Whenever we want to calculate or understand the constituents or amount or gradients of a solution, so this percentage method is very easy. A flask is used to prepare a solution. Okay, per a solution we use a flask actually in laboratories. So that flask is measurable numbers that is easy to calculate the amount of solute. So volume can be measured accurately by this flask which we use in laboratories. What actually flask is? Flask we will discuss in the next slide. For example, what is percentage? We want to try to understand the percentage. If we take and 20% of solution of sucrose or of sugar or salt, so it means that solution contains 20% or 20 by 80. It means that solution is the amount of 20 part of solute, and the remaining 80 parts are of solvent. So when we combine these 20 and 80 parts, they becomes 100%, 100 we can say. So if you say that there is 20% 20% of solution of sugar or of salt or of anything. So it means you are talking about just the 20 part out of 100. You are talking just the 20 part out of 100. It means you have sugar 20%. It means the remaining other 80% is your solvent. So total your solution is 100 percent. This is flask. What is flask? Flask is actually this equipment, you can say. Here you can see the numbering, like 400s, after then 600s, 800s, and then 1000. So this actually, this flask is used for measuring the solution. So it is used, it is a laboratory equipment, that is a narrow neck. It is a narrow neck. Okay, so therefore it is very easy to measure it. Classification of percentage, then we divide percentage on the basis of solutions. Concept of percentage can be further classified into, we have 3 or 4 classification of percentage. First one is percentage by mass by mass. Mass by mass, it is also a class of percentage. Mass by volume, it is another class of percentage. Mass by volume, percentage by volume by mass, and the fourth one is volume by volume. We will go sequence wise. First we 100 grams of solution. This we should write mass absolute should be here 10 grams, and 255 grams of water we have in that examples, that should be written under the below the mass absolute. So mass absolute will be written and mass of solution is here. Then we multiplied it with hundreds. So then we can take percentage here. With the same method, you people okay student, it is your homework for all the students. Find out the percentage of solution which has 7 grams of sodium chloride dissolved in 700 grams of water. Here 7 grams of sodium chloride, it means we have solute amount, and 700 grams of water, it means it is the amount of solvent with us. This is the formula. With the previous slides we have given examples. With that examples you people can solve this question, and this question should be solved by all the students in your rough register, in your rough notebooks, and will be checked in the school by your teacher. Thank you students, all of you.